Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet effective way to enhance your Instagram profile by adding older stories to your highlights. This feature allows you to showcase your favorite moments beyond the typical 24-hour lifespan of Instagram stories. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. First, open the Instagram app on your device. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you're logged into your account. Next, click on your profile photo located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your profile page, where you can manage your posts and highlights. Once you're on your profile, look towards the top of the page and click on the three horizontal lines. This is often referred to as the menu icon, or hamburger menu. Tapping this will open up a new menu with various options. From this menu, select Archive. Here, you'll find all your past stories that have been saved. Scroll through and find the story you want to add to your highlights and open it. Now that you've opened the desired story, look for the highlight icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on it, and a list will pop up allowing you to choose where you want to add this story. You can either select an existing highlight or create a new one by tapping on New. After making your selection, confirm it. And just like that, your old story is now part of your highlights. To ensure everything looks perfect, go back to your profile and tap on the highlight you've just edited. Check that your story has been added successfully. By following these steps, you can keep your best moments visible for all your followers to see, creating a more engaging and personalized Instagram experience. So go ahead and let those stories shine in their new spotlight.